What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right. Today, we're going to pose one question and we're going to give you our answer. Is it time to start back investing in index funds?
I say yes. Okay. Short answer is yes. As far as what's going on right now when you have these spec plays, right? Let's just take Plug as an example, right? Okay. Got in with Plug at $24, right? Let's just say we have 100 shares. Runs up all the way up to $80. Plug has had a significant pullback, correction, crash, whatever you want to call it. Mm-hmm. Since then, it is now trading around $27 right now. So index funds have historically performed very well with market crashes, market corrections, and on top of that, they follow the market index that they're in. So for instance, SPY, S&P 500, right? So as the S&P 500 continues to increase, so will SPY, right? So my thing is, these are very good plays, very safe plays for you to get involved in, because you don't know what's going to happen with that individual play that everybody's talking about. And there's a negative connotation with index funds and ETFs, right?
Yep.
Because people think that that's for a beginner, but really that's for a smart investor, somebody that knows that they want to invest in all these companies and they don't have the wherewithal to go and sit there and invest individually in all of them, right? So they invest in the ETF and they make substantial gains over time.
Yeah, I mean, SPY has been up, 5% the last 3 months. Was it 46% in the last year, yep, and 100% over the last 5 years. And SPY right now is trading around $416 a share. Again, it's been holding its own through all this market volatility. You also have ticker symbol VOO, which is trading around $383, and it has similar gains, right? 5%, over the last 3 months, etc., and so forth. I mean, here's the thing. An easy way to invest is to invest in ETFs. That is better than a savings account. That's for sure. Now, you don't want to take all your savings and put them in speculation plays. Now, if you have deep conviction like me, and I believe Palantir is going to the moon, I'm putting a lot of money into Palantir right now. But that's not for everybody. If you're an investor and you just don't have the time and the energy to do your due diligence, ETFs are a safe way. In my 401k, I have VOO. That is the ETF I have in there. And I've been making, on average, 20% a year in my 401k dealing with VOO. So, is it time to buy ETFs again? I'd say, yeah, why not? Let's get back to the fundamentals. Let's get back to the basics. Let's not go around chasing all the plays that we can find on Wall Street bets.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's definitely a good point with the Wall Street bets, man. Think about it like this, right? A lot of people are doing a lot of pumping, though. They're finding these stocks on Wall Street bets, and they're kind of messing up the integrity of the stock market. Now, I'm a retail investor, so don't get me wrong. I invest in spec plays, but I'm also on the other side of the fundamentals and actually trying to make money grow over time to hedge inflation and get out of debt and do all these things, right? Because at the end of the day, investing is a blessing. It's not something that should be a curse where you're trying to make millions and millions of dollars and you end up flat on your face with zero, right?
Yes.
So investing in an ETF or an index fund, whatever you want to call it, will definitely get you to where you need to be at the end of the day. So that's kind of where I feel like we need to focus back on the FANG stocks. VOO has FANG stocks. SPY has FANG stocks. It just depends on which index you want to follow at that point.
No, yeah, definitely. That makes sense. I think SPY has Tesla and VOO doesn't.
Okay.
I think that's one big difference. And Tesla is primed to go to the moon as well. So
right. So it only takes one to make you rich, right?
That's it. It just takes one. And
my one Marcel, right?
Yep. And my one's gonna be Palantir.
Okay, I feel that. I mean,
with deep conviction.
Hey man, if Palantir goes to the moon, I'd be happy. I'd be happy for you. So, but the thing is, would you advise someone against investing into an ETF in their general investing, not their 401k, and to get involved into something like a Palantir?
Well, again, this is how I'm going to put it. I think, again, savings accounts are mostly useless. That's a place you can keep your emergency fund for sure. I remember we had an episode talking about having your emergency fund in Bitcoin, and it's funny because Bitcoin was around 44K at that time.
Right.
And now it went up to 60 something K over the weekend, but now it's about 55K.
Yeah.
So if you would have put your emergency fund in Bitcoin, like I said in that crazy episode, you could look back months ago and see it. You would have been up, almost 30%. Just saying.
Would you say that would be a YOLO play?
The way things are going, it's looking like gold. Like Bitcoin is a new gold.
Yeah, it's possible.
But just to get back to the point though, right? So don't put go ahead and put your emergency fund in a bank account or Bitcoin, and you just leave it there and you let it sit. But everything outside of that, all your extra money, I would recommend at minimum put it in the ETF.
At minimum. I mean, definitely. I mean, we've talked about asset allocation all the time. Your portfolio should have at least 50% growth stocks. Now, I believe that ETFs have the potential to grow over time. It has shown me proof historically. Yes. So I don't see a problem with investing in SPY or VOO or my favorite technology ETF, FTEC. Yeah. That's the GOAT.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. And we just wanted to make a video just to put that back on your mind that index funds are definitely an option. And hey, if all you do is invest in index funds, you're still a good investor.
Yeah, because not a lot of people are talking about that right now, Chris, which is kind of weird. Everybody wants to get rich, get quick. You know what I mean?
Everybody's talking about Dogecoin. Everybody's talking about Tesla stock still. So I get it.
Let's bring it back. Yeah.
Let's bring it back, man. But hey, man, thank you guys for checking out this video. It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Still can't stop it.